In Aventureros, it was a great Memorial Day weekend, and guess what? Cito made it a lot better.
A few moments later.
Ramon, thank you for pulling us off the island to make it easier for Cito to tow us back. Spanglish Adventures want to say thank you to Captain Big Steve from Apollo Beach, Cito, and the entire staff. They were very professional and super courteous. And Aventureros, this is not, I repeat, this is not a Cito promotion. This is just our personal advice to you. If you don't have Cito or any other towing company, do it. Because let me tell you, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Once again, Captain Big Steve, thank you, man. Thank you for making it a very smooth ride back to Davis Island Boat Ramp.